Hi, this is Korean꾸야 who learned how to cook on the internet. Recently, I saw some very interesting vlog. That vlog said if I put in one slice of lemon when I cook boiled egg, I can peel eggshell very easily. Is it true? Oh, so today I'm gonna take very simple experiment video with egg. Yeah, that blog said acid from lemon. It make kind of chemical reaction, so it melt the eggshell. And also, I can use vinegar instead of lemon because it's a same level of acid and food grade and you know, safe and whatever, blah 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 something. So today I'm gonna use this. Instead of lemon. Calamansi. Yeah, I don't know what is difference between lemon and calamansi. Size, color. Am I blind? Also sour, and I think calamansi also has a acid, so it will be same. Yeah. In my opinion, almost all people keep egg in refrigerator, right? So when you bring out from refrigerator, your eggs are very cold. When you cook the boiled egg, if you put cold egg in hot water, eggshell will crack, broken, crash. Anyway, you know what I mean. So I will boil egg like this. This way, hit the egg very slowly. English speaking is harder than cooking. I'm gonna boil egg just 10 minutes after start to boil water. 10 minutes. 10 minutes?
Just want 10 minutes.
Today, I'm gonna cook hard boiled egg. Of course, I cannot peel right away. I have to cooling down first. Do you think, oh, hot. Do you think it worked? Yeah. It looks peel easily, right? Maybe it was just luck. I will peel other one. Not bad. It's not like a super easy. It's not, yeah. It's not like that, but still, yeah. I was able to peel very easily compared to before. I think this is truth. It worked. Let's try. Oh. It's so hot, but no, there's no dark side. If you overcook the hard-boiled egg, you can see the dark part out of yolk. Yolk surface is turning into dark, right? But this one, look, is perfectly cooked hard-boiled egg, just 10 minutes. It was a successful experiment, right? Okay, now you know how to cook hard-boiled egg. Enjoy your boiled egg. It was Korean꾸야. Bye bye. Hey, I will eat this. Looks like I boiled egg because of this.